Alligator peeling, also known as alligator skin peeling, is a process used in food processing to remove the tough outer skin of fruits and vegetables. This technique is particularly effective for items like pineapples, where the skin has a texture resembling alligator skin, hence the name. The process involves using specialized machinery that peels off the skin in a manner similar to how an alligator's skin is removed. The fruit storage machine is a critical component in the fruit processing industry, designed to preserve the freshness and quality of fruits for an extended period. It plays a crucial role in ensuring that fruits remain in optimal condition from harvest to consumption. The machine operates on the principle of creating an environment that slows down the natural ripening and decay process of fruits. It achieves this by controlling temperature, humidity, and gas composition within the storage unit. Maintaining the right temperature and humidity levels is critical for preserving fruit quality. The machine uses advanced sensors and control systems to monitor and adjust these parameters continuously. This ensures that fruits remain fresh and do not suffer from temperature-related issues such as chilling injury or mold growth. Controlling the gas composition, particularly the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide, is essential for fruit storage. The machine uses specialized systems to regulate the atmosphere within the storage unit, ensuring that fruits receive the optimal gas mix to extend their shelf life. The sorting machine is a crucial piece of equipment in the food processing industry, used to separate and classify fruits based on various criteria such as size, shape, color, and quality. The machine employs a combination of sensors, cameras, and mechanical sorting mechanisms to identify and separate fruits based on predefined criteria. These criteria can be adjusted based on the specific requirements of the sorting process. The sorting machine can be programmed to sort fruits based on several criteria, including size, shape, color, and quality. This allows for the precise classification of fruits according to specific requirements, such as packaging or processing standards. One of the key features of the sorting machine is its ability to sort fruits at high speeds. This enables large quantities of fruits to be sorted quickly and efficiently, increasing overall processing throughput. The sorting machine is highly versatile and can be used to sort a wide variety of fruits, including apples, oranges, pears, and more. It can also be easily configured to accommodate different sorting requirements, making it a flexible solution for various processing needs. Key technology Verix is an advanced sorting machine designed for the food processing industry, offering high-speed and high-precision sorting capabilities for fruits and vegetables. The VER-YX sorting machine uses advanced optical sorting technology, including cameras and sensors, to inspect and sort fruits and vegetables based on various criteria such as size, shape, color, and quality. The machine is capable of sorting fruits and vegetables at high speeds, ensuring efficient processing and maximizing throughput. This makes it ideal for large-scale food processing operations. VER-YX offers customizable sorting programs that can be tailored to meet the specific requirements of different fruits and vegetables. This allows for precise sorting based on the unique characteristics of each produce type. Despite its advanced technology, Verix is designed to be user-friendly and easy to maintain. It features a simple interface that allows operators to easily adjust sorting parameters and monitor the sorting process. Karemco BV Steam Peeler is a specialized machine used for peeling fruits and vegetables using steam, offering a gentle and efficient peeling process. The machine uses steam to heat the fruits or vegetables, causing the skin to soften and expand. This makes it easier to remove the skin using gentle mechanical action, resulting in minimal product loss. Steam peeling is a gentle process that minimizes product damage and loss compared to other peeling methods. It ensures that fruits and vegetables retain their natural texture and flavor after peeling. The Karemco BV Steam Peeler is capable of processing large quantities of fruits and vegetables, making it suitable for high-volume food processing operations. The machine offers versatile peeling options, allowing operators to adjust peeling parameters based on the specific requirements of different fruits and vegetables. This ensures optimal peeling results for various produce types. The Heat and Control Fastback Revolution Proportional Gate is a specialized gating system used in food processing lines to regulate the flow of products, such as fruits and vegetables, ensuring smooth and efficient processing. The proportional gate allows operators to precisely control the flow of products on the processing line, ensuring even distribution and preventing jams or blockages. The proportional gate operates at high speeds, ensuring rapid and efficient processing of products on the production line. This helps to maximize throughput and productivity. The gating system is easy to integrate into existing processing lines, allowing for seamless integration with other equipment and systems. JBT Stein Thermofin is a thermal processing machine used for cooking, blanching, and cooling fruits and vegetables, offering precise temperature control and efficient processing. The Thermofin machine can be used for various thermal processing applications, including cooking, blanching, and cooling, making it a versatile solution for food processing operations. The machine offers precise temperature control, ensuring that fruits and vegetables are processed at the optimal temperature for the desired result. This helps to preserve the natural flavor and texture of the produce. Thermofin is designed for efficient processing, allowing for rapid heating or cooling of products. This helps to minimize processing time and energy consumption, leading to cost savings for food processors. Despite its advanced technology, Thermofin is designed to be easy to clean and maintain, ensuring hygienic processing conditions and minimal downtime. Keremco V Veritube is a specialized machine used for cooking and blanching fruits and vegetables, offering precise temperature control and efficient processing. The Veritube machine can be used for cooking and blanching a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, making it a versatile solution for food processing operations. The machine offers precise temperature control, ensuring that fruits and vegetables are cooked or blanched at the optimal temperature for the desired result. This helps to preserve the natural flavor and texture of the produce. Veritube is designed for efficient processing, allowing for rapid heating or cooling of products. This helps to minimize processing time and energy consumption, leading to cost savings for food processors. Despite its advanced technology, Veritube is designed to be easy to clean and maintain, ensuring hygienic processing conditions and minimal downtime. Unitech Cherry Vision 3.0 is a state-of-the-art cherry sorting machine designed to deliver high-performance sorting solutions for cherry processing operations. The Cherry Vision 3.0 utilizes advanced imaging technology and artificial intelligence algorithms to sort cherries based on color, size, external defects, and internal quality. With its high-speed cameras and sorting mechanisms, the Cherry Vision 3.0 can sort cherries at an impressive rate, ensuring efficient processing and maximizing throughput. The machine is designed to handle cherries gently, minimizing damage, and ensuring that the fruit retains its natural appearance and quality throughout the sorting process. Operators can easily customize sorting programs to meet specific sorting requirements. The Cherry Vision 3.0 features a user-friendly interface that allows operators to monitor the sorting process in real time and make adjustments as needed. Tomra Nimbus BSI is an advanced sorting machine designed for the nut and dried fruit industry, offering high-speed and high-precision sorting capabilities. The Nimbus BSI uses TOMRAS biometric signature identification (BSI) technology, which combines various sensor technologies to detect and remove defects such as shell, hull, and foreign material. The machine is capable of sorting nuts and dried fruits at high speeds, ensuring efficient processing and maximizing throughput. Nimbus BSI offers customizable sorting programs that can be tailored to meet the specific requirements of different nuts and dried fruits. This allows for precise sorting based on the unique characteristics of each product. despite its advanced technology. Nimbus BSI is designed to be user-friendly and easy to maintain. It features a simple interface that allows operators to easily adjust sorting parameters and monitor the sorting process. Key technology Varic C140 is an advanced sorting machine designed for the food processing industry, offering high-speed and high-precision sorting capabilities for a variety of products. The Varic C140 uses advanced optical sorting technology, including cameras and sensors, to inspect. The machine is capable of sorting products at high speeds, ensuring efficient processing and maximizing throughput. Varic C140 offers customizable sorting programs that can be tailored to meet the specific requirements of different products. This allows for precise sorting based on the unique characteristics of each product. Despite its advanced technology, the YXC140 is designed to be user-friendly and easy to maintain. It features a simple interface that allows operators to easily adjust sorting parameters and monitor the sorting process. Our G400i cheese shredder is a high-performance shredding machine designed for shredding cheese in the food processing industry. The G400i is capable of shredding cheese at high speeds, ensuring efficient processing and maximizing throughput in food processing operations. The machine offers versatile shredding options, allowing operators to adjust shredding parameters based on the specific requirements of different cheese types. This ensures optimal shredding results for various types of cheese. Despite its high-speed operation, the G400i is designed to shred cheese gently, minimizing product damage and ensuring that the cheese retains its natural texture and flavor. The G400i is designed to be easy to clean and maintain, ensuring hygienic processing conditions and minimal downtime.